Good day and welcome to Niger Scholars YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to log into JAMB CAPS and check your admission status. As you can see, this is the browser of my phone and I am inside the browser of my phone now. So I'm going to click on Google as the first step. So I just leave this for you. So this is Google. Google has opened, so I'm going to type log in to JAMB CAPS. Log in to JAMB CAPS. Then you click on go. You can see this is the web page that opens out. You can see login, and under the login you see 2023. You click on that login. It's loading, so you have to be patient. It's still loading. The network is kind of bad. Yes, it's here. You can see they said login to your account. You can see email address and you can see password. Then you see login, you see create account. You don't have to create any account, just type in your email address here. I'm going to log into my own account now for you to see. This is my email address. I'm entering it now. muhammadtahir@gmail.com. Then you click the password space and type the password. Oh, sorry for that. See, that's the second step. The second step is to enter your password. Enter the password of your JAMB facility account. That's the sixth password. Then you click on login. It's loading, so you have to be patient once more. It's taking me directly to my account now. You see, they said, hello, welcome back, Shaidu Mohammed Tahir. Registration profile code, you see it there. This is my own JAMB CAPS. And the next step is to click on check admission status. You see, it's loading again. Is loading. You see, this is it. You can see I wrote my own JAMB in 2019. Click on check, access my CAPS, then check admission status. Thanks, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.